Okay, good. That was not a fart. That was my chair, y'all. Okay? Really? Really? Okay, good. Oh, hello. Welcome to She Paints Studio. I was just kidding. I'm acting like there's a room full of people I'm talking to right now. I'm still painting on this thing. He's not like going, hey mom, when's that canvas gonna be done? He doesn't care, you know. I mean, I think that he'll really like it when he gets it. I'm reproducing a Radiohead cover. Kelly, Happy New Year to you. So that's why it looks like a really weird mess and colors that I don't usually, helping me a lot. Thank you, Amber, aren't they? My daughter gave them to me for Christmas. And she said, I thought you could wear them on your lives. How thoughtful was that? I've never shipped a large canvas like this, and I think it's probably pretty expensive. Although I ship furniture, so it can't be worse than that, right? Or maybe it can. Black in there and divide these lines better and shape it up. And maybe 5 seconds, so let me grab my canvas and hit the dog. I'm kidding, I'm not gonna hit the dog. Zico, and I took a class from Anissa of Nissa Nat, so that's the credit right there. I followed almost her every move. So it wasn't like me going, I'm gonna paint some girls. No, I am gonna get started now. Welcome everyone. With this I use DIY paint, clay paint, some acrylics to get these to line up in the right perspective as that. So I'm gonna paint this, but I'm gonna talk. If you can hear me, can y'all hear me? I'm going to, and thank you. I don't have this right at all. This is all the blue I have, but it's a perfect blue, so I'm gonna keep using it. Well, I don't want to put off errands anymore. I'm a grown woman. I mean, there are seasons, and I've been in this season, and now I'm done. Done. But I need a tape running in my head that says, like, just go do it and get it over with. Does that make sense, y'all? I'm trying to make it clear what my hang-up is. Just talking about it makes me feel silly. Like, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna get off of here and go to freaking Walmart and get over it. And, ooh, this is too tall, too. Oh, it's slanted a little bit. There's an angle to this block right here. This sign. I'm gonna angle that down a little bit. And then that'll be straight. There. I like that. That will be good. And then this needs another coat. So any help, I will not think it's condescending. I am just very teachable. So if you guys are willing, if you have I need some of you that don't struggle with it. That's the problem. Too many of you are like me. Because I'd rather do this than go run errands and do the rest of my list. And my list isn't even hard, guys. I mean, there's like 15 things on it, but it's not hard stuff. Blue right here. Yeah, I already did that one. Hey, am I done with the blue? Oh, nope, there's one right here. Just a minute. Let me just do this blue right here. I can move you in a tiny bit. I mean, it's a big mess right now because I decided to just get the approximations of where the blocks will be of the signs. These are all signs. Hi, Chrissy. It's an artist. I looked it up so I could give credit and all that. It's the artist that paints these Radiohead albums. I mean, I know this is an old one. I read what his, I was able to find what his inspiration was. Signs. It sort of struck him all the different words and the messages and the signs and the things. And it could go on his wall. Is that blue? I can't tell. There's a little bit of a dark color right here. I did not do it. I'll use blue for now. It kind of goes this way. I'm trying to just keep them in dimension, in the same dimension, a little bit, the same size. Just sort of right there. And then I'll come back and touch it all up and get it the right sizes and colors. Of Kara's Color Me Vintage. She is the one who has these hats for sale. I love it. Look how good it looks with my shirts. Can we just look. Okay. These also in like a mint aqua color and then a coral as well. Okay, so the other one, guys, is black with purple. I knew it was dark. I couldn't remember what. I'm shepaints2.com. I'm just saying. I'm gonna go to the store first though. I'm gonna put shoes on. Look. It means I don't. Well, because I'm dramatic, I actually counted all the signs, and it's 107. It was a very cool challenge, but I'm glad it's over, and I can't wait to get it to my son. No, we're grown ups. We got to put the big girl panties on and do the things. So I'm going to do that. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll be on again tomorrow, I guess. Maybe tonight. Maybe I'll get the stuff done, and I'll be so pumped that I got all my list done that I'll be back on. Look, that's a this will make a really pretty butterfly shadow. Lighting on a log or something. See what you've been missing?